Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to create custom AI stickers on Snapchat Plus. So this is going to be a 2025 exclusive tutorial. So how can we do this one? So the first thing we want to do right now is check for the latest two updates. Let's start with your phone. If you're using your Android device or using an iOS device, same as mine, go to settings right there and go back, go to general and software update. And for Android devices, I think that should be on settings and update and check for your Android how much or if you have the latest version. On my end, as you can see, I have the latest version of iOS installed and there is no pending update. So the idea here is you should not have a pending update moving forward. Next up, open up your App Store or Play Store for your Android device users. So basically for this one, type in Snapchat. And we just want to make sure that there is no pending update for our application right here. As you can see, I have a open option, so there is no pending update. Next up, of course, open it up. Once you open up your Snapchat right there, just take a photo of anything you want. For example, I'm going to go for this mouthwash. I'm going to click on it right there. And basically for this one, I'm going to click the scissor icon, as you can see right here. And now it has an option to create a sticker. So before it doesn't have an option to create stickers automatically, you need to outline it. So if I click on that right there, the sticker is now going to be here. So before you need to outline this one manually, you need to draw a line on the body, outline it, and create a sticker out of it. However, for the new update, it recognizes the AI and create your stickers for you. That's why it's really important to make sure you're up to date. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.